Sa exclusive interview ni Boy Abunda sa programang Fast Talk ikinwento ni Miss Universe Philippines 2025, Atisa Manalo kung paano nagbago ang kanyang pananaw sa pagsali sa pageant ngayong taon. Ayon kay Atisa, noong 2024 ay labis siyang nagplano at nag-overthink. Aniya, this year I made sure I wasn't in my head. In 2024, I was overthinking everything. I had a plan a year before it even happened. Every single move, every single decision, I overthink, I plan it. Ngunit sa kanyang pagbabalik ngayong taon, mas pinili umano niyang sumabay sa Agos. Say pa niya, for this year it was sudden that I joined. I wasn't even supposed to be here but the opportunity came, a lot of doors opened for me so I was like why not take it. I was more feeling, I was more experiencing than thinking and planning. Dahil dito, mas naging natural umano ang kanyang ginawa sa entablado. Gayunpaman, hindi umano naging perpekto ang kanyang performance kung saan ibinahagi nito ang naging insidente sa long gown segment kung saan nadapa siya, paliwanag niya. There were stairs and then I think the dulo of the gown flipped and then got caught in my heel, ngunit sa kabila ng insidenteng iyon, nagawa pa rin umano niyang bumangon at gamitin ito bilang inspirasyon sa question and answer portion ng kompetisyon.